All right, I'm going to teach you how to get high quality products made for your clothing brand. You don't need some elite secret US based manufacturer. I'm going to use made in China examples in this video. The first step is developing an awareness and a knowledge around premium materials and fabrics. I highly recommend that you get Textilepedia by Fashionary. This book has everything you'll need to know about fabrics. It is the complete fabric guide. I read this book twice, and then I took a ton of notes on it, and I backed all of those notes up in my Obsidian vault. So now I have the complete fabric guide all backed up here digitally and categorized very neatly. All the fibers are categorized here and listed within the fibers page. And then I have the sub-fibers within each of those categories. For plant fibers, I have cotton, and this is my page with all my notes about cotton. Here's my page for flax with all my notes about flax. And I can click on any of these and it will bring me to that page, and I have images for each of the fibers. That goes on for animal fibers, regenerated fibers, synthetic fibers, yarn, weave, etc. It's all backed up here digitally in my Obsidian vault. So yeah, Textilepedia, the complete fabric guide by Fashionary. Buy it, read it, internalize it, and then figure out what fabrics you want to design your clothes with. Next, you'll need custom designs. I made a whole video about how I am no longer using mockup packs to design my garments, and instead I'm using a software called CLO3D. That way I can create custom patterns, which are pieces of fabric with specific dimensions that need to be cut and sewn. While I focus on other aspects of running a clothing or fashion brand, I outsource the pattern making to a digital atelier that uses CLO3D. So they're a real person, but they design with digital fabric. That atelier will also give me graded patterns, so I can have extra small, small, medium, large. They'll also give me a tech pack with all of the specific instructions for cutting and sewing the fabric, what fabric to use, trims like buttons, where logos need to be embroidered, what the tag should look like, and more. Using this workflow will allow you to create unique designs that stand out in the market. And then once you have the designs made with unique patterns and all of your specific fabrics, you need a reliable manufacturer. There is one Chinese manufacturer that I trust. They can source basically any fabric I need, and they can cut any pattern that I send them. So basically, as long as I can think of it and I can design it, they can make it. I provide some of that sauce about them and their contact info in my resources database, which you can access for free at the link in the description. Includes all of my whiteboards, PDFs, slide decks, AI prompts, and more. So be sure to download that. If you decide to go the made in US route, emphasize craftsmanship and domestic production. If you are going the made in China route, you want to be as transparent about your manufacturing as possible, especially if you're based in the US or Europe and your customers are in the US or Europe. People want to know that if you're importing from China, the fabrics are high quality, the construction is top notch, and the workers are treated fairly. So that is the quickest and easiest way to get high quality products made for your clothing brand. If you learned something new or found this valuable at all, please like and subscribe. It helps me out so much. If there's a topic you'd like to see in a future video, please leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.